Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a important change is coming to Google Chrome in February. Once again, this is interesting because we'll see if it has an impact or any impact at all. Of course, for most people that don't have or don't come to channels like this will have no idea that it's happening, probably. So Google has announced that the Chrome browser will do digital fingerprinting starting February the 16th. What's digital fingerprinting? Well, it's a way for Google to use the browser and identify you, and not just Chrome. It will actually let any advertiser through Google use fingerprinting, whatever browser you use. Of course, depending on the browser, you might be protected on this, and we're going to talk more about that. So digital fingerprinting means that the IP address, the browser you're using, the operating system, and a host of information that will be gathered will be able to identify you very specifically on the internet. So when you return to the same web page, they'll know it's you. Until now, Google would actually give access to some info, but that information was not necessarily pinpointing at a specific user, but more as a general, topic of, that person does this, goes and views these types of sites, and that's it. Now it's very specific. It's going to be this user does this and has this system and this operating system and this browser and so on. So this is a change which is almost an invasion of privacy, a pretty good one too. So of course they're not going to give you a pop-up on the screen and say, hey, we are snooping on you even more now. Which means, of course, that a lot of people would not even know. So this is where you might want to see what you are using as a browser. And I will have a video. The next video I'm going to post is a video where you can actually check if your browser helps remove some of the snooping from the online tracking, that especially with that fingerprinting that Google wants to implement, which really is kind of not that cool, basically. So be aware, and it's not just Google Chrome, it's every browser, but as long as everything that you go through on the web will be through a Google search, for example. So it's really a independent. So if you go on some of the browsers that do not have tracking protection much, you'll still be snooped on. It's not just a Chrome thing, like I said. But there are browsers that are better than others to protect. You can also use a VPN, a virtual private network, to help and prevent some of that snooping too, because it will change the IP address so that it can identify exactly where you are, basically. So that's coming February 16th. Yes, more snooping on the part of Google on our activities online. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.